guys, it's Allison. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm actually going to be vlogging, which is kind of crazy because I don't really vlog, I don't think. So I kind of have a couple of things I want to do today. I definitely want to clean and organize my room. I had a little goal for myself to kind of keep my room clean for Christmas and just like, you know, just keep it clean the month of December. So far it's just not working out too great, but I just want to clean it out before it gets, you know, too crazy. I want to go to the dry cleaners to kind of fix the seams in my Uggs. I ripped them like a long time ago after wearing them for a month and I never got them fixed because I don't know, I just never did. So I think I'm gonna do that today. I have to walk the dog right now because he's just not having it. He wants to be walked. Benji, come on, let's go. You want to go walk? Let's go walk! Yay! Okay, let's go. So freaking cold outside, like I'm dying. So I just got back from walking Benji and it actually started snowing, which I'm not too happy about because it already snowed, so I'm pretty much snowed out. I actually really don't like the winter time, so, and I don't really care for snow that much. Okay, so then I got this. Oh, I'm showing AJ everything I got from that Fashion Nova Cyber Monday sale. So I got this because I have a lot of coin necklaces. Then I got this because I thought maybe I could wear it for like special occasion. Cute. I thought it was cute, but then I'm like, but I have to wear heels. I don't know. I got this because I was just like, ooh, I could like lounge. I got it because I thought, you know, I could lounge around in it, you know. Okay. It's like you can wear it to sleep or like wear it around the house. Like, why did you make that face?
It was just surprised, I guess, confused.
All right, whatever. What's wrong with it? Anyway, then I was gonna get this. Oh, I'm burning it. AJ, it's completely burnt. Damn it! This always happens. I burnt it.
Well, don't you hit the camera.
I burnt the patties because I was too busy showing him my Fashion Nova stuff. I'm really sorry. Like, no, just peel it. No. Okay, let me show you something. All right, hold on. Service light. You're making mess. This thing. Ah.
Exactly.
Okay. You could probably just like flake off the entire top layer like that. Like, okay, we're doing the same thing. So this is what he was reacting to. I honestly think it'd be super cute to just like sleep in or walk around the house in. And a lot of their reviews said that they're really comfy. So
I believe you.
But why were you making that face?
I was just surprised. Like, I didn't expect, like, with everything else that you were showing me, I didn't expect that to pop up.
I just wanted like something comfy. Like, you know what? The reviews said it's good and that it's soft. So
It's cute. You good.
Whatever.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Alright, so I have to stop doing my makeup because I have to go pick up my brother. So yeah, I'm about to go do that. I actually have to be home by 3:30 because I have to go on a call. I'm not gonna say too much about it, but you guys will find out more soon. I'm just super stressed out because it's 3:14. I said I would be available by 3:30 and now I have to pick up my brother and I don't want to look stupid and be like, I'm sorry. Great. my camera. I don't want to look stupid and say like, you know, I can't do 3:30 anymore because I said I was available, so whatever, I'm just gonna have to make it work. What's up? Why don't you have basketball practice today?
Because study day for science.
For the science what? So you're gonna study?
It's for science for 8th grade.
So what does that have to do with you?
I'm going there.
Alright, I need to hurry up because I need to be home by 3:30.
Why?
Because I have to do something.
Why?
So I needed to be very quiet.
What do you have to do?
Well, if I tell you, you're gonna be annoying. Alright, so I made it, but while I'm waiting, I'm going to be just like planning out some videos on GoodNotes. That's how I plan out all my videos. I just feel like it helps me get really organized, and I just started doing that recently and I've definitely seen the difference. So yeah, I'm gonna just do that. Hello? Hey, I'm fine. How are you? So I'm basically just gonna quickly tidy up my room a little bit. It's very, very messy right now, and I just want it to look decent. I'm not gonna deep clean or anything. I'm just gonna put away some stuff just to kind of, you know, get some floor space going. Yeah, it's that bad. I basically am jumping around at this point. It's not like terrible, but it's like not good at the same time. Yeah, it's like bad. Like my room is a mess. But at this point, are we surprised? Probably not. So yeah, I'm gonna do that.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around.
All right, so this is basically all I got done. My room is definitely decent. It's not perfect. I'm going to be doing like my whole closet area tomorrow. This whole thing will be a completely separate video, going through all my clothes, sorting through them, figuring out what I'm gonna sell. All right, so for today's video, I decided to give away this Pixie Rach Loves palette. So it's a highlighter palette and an eyeshadow palette. It's super cute. So if you guys want to win this, comment down below with your Instagram name, follow me on Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can win. I hope you guys enjoyed my first day of Vlogmas. If you guys think that I should continue, definitely let me know. Yeah, definitely subscribe if you guys want to see more videos from me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.